It's been about 2 weeks since our last video, and I have so much to show you. I was going on vacation. Did you miss me? I know I missed you, but not enough to keep me from going on vacation to Dora County. Hey, do you want to see some vacation pictures? Of course you do.
A pirate went on vacation. He took his bones out of town. He wanted to sail, he wanted to see a new horizon when the sun went down. He paddled out by Cave Point. He felt the strength of the tides. He saw the sun sparkle on the waves, and it nearly brought tears to his one good eye. He explored lighthouses, he walked in the waves. The water was refreshing, his teeth they ceased gnashing. Yes, this was a pirate on vacation. He saw a ship like he'd never before seen. It was too heavy to float, and so very, very green. He climbed epic hills to see mighty clouds. He felt the smallness of man, but yet he was not cowed. The pirate explored, he saw new sights, and then came the stars in the dark of the night. None of this scared him, it gave him no fright. It just reminded him, we must treat this all right. Yes, this was a pirate on vacation.
Moving on. Thank you so very, very much to everyone who has been wearing masks to the store. You are showing that you care about us and the other people in the store, and we appreciate that. Thank you very much. Also, for those of you who want to learn more about photography, you should note that we have 3 classes coming up this month. 3 Zoom classes so you can learn online about photography. Now, on to the deals. In front of me, you can see here we have the Olympus E-M1 Mark II. Its price has been reduced. This sounds like a great time for you to buy 2 of them. Why not? Here then too, you can see we have some Contax lenses in our used department. They are some of the finest lenses around. And we have 6 of them. Many people are trying out film photography for the first time these days. You should check out Kentmere Film. They are a very affordable, great black and white film. Come check them out. Also, if you are shooting color film, you should know today is Wednesday, and Wednesday means Film Wednesday. So, if you have color film, Wednesday is the day to bring it to us. In front of me here too, you can see our mega deal of the week. This Minolta QTSI with 2 lenses film camera is selling for only $25. $25. My gosh, why is this even still here? Why have you not bought it yet? Come and check this out. Also, on the topic of film, many of you have been shooting medium format film and making some mistakes. Our friend John has some tips for you on that. Pay attention and check out what John has to say.
Go ahead, because you can probably edit off the front, chop off the front half and chop to size. Okay. Hi, John at Mike Crivello Cameras here. We've noticed a lot of interest in people coming back to film, bringing in 120 medium format film, and as they're pulling it out of their camera, they're not sealing it up quite right. Sometimes they leave it too loose. You don't want that. That can lead to light leaks. When you bring it out of the camera, what you want to do, pull it up tight. You want to fold this piece over. Give it a little crease. Then you want to bring that down like this. Then you're going to take this part, it's got adhesive on the back, you're going to give it a lick, and you're going to pull it up nice and snug. It should look just like that. And this is the exposed part. We've had a customer bring in a film. You can see it's unexposed. Also, they taped this up, and that's fine, but when we're in the dark bag trying to get this film out to transfer it to the processing machine, when it's pulled up tight like this, we have to dig in here and we can risk bruising the emulsion. That's what's nice about having that fold over, because now I can get a fingernail under there and I can slit that and I can free up the film, spool it into the cassette, and get it into the processing machine more easily. Hope this was a big help. Give us a call if you got questions. Thanks.
Arg. It's a beautiful day to be at the lakefront. Have you visited lately? Love your lakefront and all the waterways for that matter.